Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is pronoun and logical meaning. Let us move. It says by exercising vigorously for at least 30 minutes every day. It. It can lower levels of bad cholesterol by as much as 30%. So what is mean of it? If you consider it means exercising, remember exercising is gerund. And from sentence correction point of view, it cannot be used for phrase, for verb, for clause. It is used only for noun, and that is why here it is incorrect. Why? Because it does not have any antecedent. So option A out. Option B. If one exercises vigorously for at least 30 minutes every day, it can lower levels of bad cholesterol. Remember, pronoun one is not accepted in sentence correction. So this is the first error. Second, it. Now, it again, it does not have any antecedent and it is not from one family and one is not from it family. One is from another family of pronoun and it is also from another family of pronoun. So there is no match between one and it out. Exercising vigorously for at least 30 minutes every day can lower levels of bad cholesterol as much as. So here what is the subject of can lower? If you remember rule of subject verb agreement, whatever comes before, if there is any phrase before verb, subject is always before first preposition. So this is your first preposition and that is why subject will be exercising. Why? Because exercising vigorously is modifier. So exercising can lower levels of bad cholesterol. Option C is fine. Option D. If you exercise vigorously for at least 30 minutes every day, 1. Same point, 1 cannot be accepted in sentence correction. And here you and 1, no match, and that is why option D out. To exercise vigorous for at least 30 minutes every day, it can lower. So see here, to exercise can lower, no, incorrect. By exercising or exercising is possible. To exercise vigorous for at least, now because 2 plus infinitive grammatically is fine, from grammar point of view it's fine, but it is not giving the meaning what it requires. So it has incorrect meaning, illogical meaning. All right, and that is why option E out, option C becomes best option. If you look at shortcut, first of all, wherever you find 1, you can eliminate that option. So automatically B and D can be eliminated. After that, you can eliminate option A and option E. Option A because it does not have any antecedent, and E does not give the clear meaning, and that is why directly you come to the option C. Here C is the best option.